I'm Dr. Sadiq Umar. I am a skin specialist dermatologist who is practicing at Dehradun in Elixir Specialty Clinic. I am here the senior consultant dermatologist. We will discuss about hair fall, whether it is temporary or permanent, and the causes of hair fall and hair loss. Losing 50 to 100 hair strands a day is a normal hair fall, whereas losing more than 100 hair a day, which leads to scalp visibility or baldness, is called as hair loss. The hair normally replaces the lost hair, but this doesn't happen always. Hair loss can develop gradually over the years or happen abruptly. Hair loss can be a permanent or a temporary thing. It is impossible to count the amount of hair you lost. You may be losing more hair than the normal range. For example, if you notice a large amount of hair in the drain after washing your hair or the clumps of hair in your brush, you might also notice thinning patches of hair or baldness. Excessive hair fall is common in people who experience one of the following factors like weight loss, giving birth, experiencing lot of stress, high-grade fever, major surgery, or recovering from an illness, especially high fever, and stopping of oral birth control pills. As these factors are normalized, the excessive hair fall stops and the hair tends to regain its normal fullness. The hair fall is normal, and this hair fall is normal and temporary. Hair loss differs from hair fall. The hair loss occurs when something stops the hair from growing. And what are the causes of hair loss? It can be hereditary, that is a family history, overreaction of the immune system, some drugs and treatment, various hairstyles that pulls the hair, and various harsh hair care products. Hair loss is most commonly seen in people who have a family history. This type of hair loss is difficult to treat and can be a permanent thing. If you have a family history of baldness, you may have this type of hair loss. Certain sex hormones can trigger hereditary hair loss, and it may begin as early as puberty. Other causes of hair loss are nutritional deficiency, hormonal imbalance, and certain medical conditions such as thyroid disease and scalp infections. Stop using of hair straightening things and hair rebonding and curling and excessive use of hair dryer, which can lead to hair damage. And what are the key points? Losing 50 to 100 hair strands a day is normal, whereas more than that may lead to scalp visibility or baldness, which is called as hair loss. Once the hair fall factors are normalized, the excessive hair fall stops and the hair tends to regain its normal fullness. This hair fall is normal and temporary. Hair loss is most commonly seen in people who have a family history. These type of hair loss is difficult to treat and can be permanent. Various sex hormones can trigger hereditary hair fall, and it may begin as early as puberty. For the best results, one should always seek an expert's advice. Thank you.